Hello friends and welcome to your Spanish Corner. In this video, we are going to learn the complete alphabet in Spanish. Officially, there are 27 letters in the Spanish alphabet. So let's see them. If you want that we practice together, please repeat each letter after me. A, A, B, B, C, C. This letter and the last letter in the Spanish alphabet are called or pronounced C and Zeta in Spain, but in Latin America they are pronounced C and Zeta, exactly the same as an S. I'm pronouncing the Spanish way. Let's go on. D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, Ñ, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, also called Y, Y, Z, Z. The V is called that way in Spain, but in Latin America it is usually called B corta, B chica, or B pequeña, that is, short or small v. And the B is sometimes called B larga or B grande, that is, long or big B. Remember that B and V are pronounced the same way in Spanish. As for the W, it is also called W, or, especially in Latin America, W or W. This other letter, it has been called Y for a long time, but recently the new name Y has been introduced. Okay, now let's see the alphabet again, this time a little more quickly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. To know how to pronounce each letter, please watch my pronunciation videos in this same channel. I'll give you some links in the description box down below. Well friends, I hope you know the Spanish alphabet by now. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe to this channel for new Spanish videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hasta pronto!